Hello there and welcome to Ívar's Fly Workshop. Welcome to the channel. Today we are tying a fly, a classic pattern called Mickey Finn. We are using a black 8/0 UNI thread for it, and the hook we are using for this pattern is an Ahrex classic streamer number 8. And I believe most of you guys are familiar with the Mickey Finn because it's a classic pattern. It's not an Icelandic pattern, but we are still going to tie it, of course, because it's a really effective one when it comes to fishing here in Iceland, and especially when you're like looking for fish. If you're like scanning or searching for fish, the Mickey Finn is an excellent option for that. The body of the fly is made out of flat silver tinsel. It's an UNI tinsel which we are using, and the rib of the fly is the same brand. So it's a UNI oval medium silver which we are using, and we attach that to the hook like so. And on the Mickey Finn, it's like a relatively easy fly to tie in from that perspective. It's like not for like a super advanced tires, and you can use like multiple materials for it. Like for the wing, you can use bucktail, you can use squirrel, you can use just calf, just whatever, even some feathers, just in the same color pattern. But we start to make the body of the fly, of course, and that's a silver tinsel body. It's yeah, like I said, it's a really good fly when it comes to like spring fishing here in Iceland, and when the water is like colored. It's this fly has a really great visibility in murky waters, so I believe that's one of the reasons why it attracts fish. Lock the tinsel down like we did and trim off the end, and here comes the oval silver. It gives the body like a nice rib. One thing with this fly, one way to tie it in a cool way, that is to use like a holographic silver tinsel, and it gets like a, you'll get like a little different texture of the body. Both are working great. I tied it with both, and the holographic tinsel for the body, it work well as well. So next step is the wing, and we are using a calf tail, yellow and red, and it's a vineyard product, as you see here. This package I bought like some light years back when I was like beginning. That's over 30 years, and it has like a mixed color in it, and I still have it, and it's a really good it's really nice to have all of those colors. And the first part of the wing is like 1/4 a yellow part, then 1/4 or like a quarter of the wing is red, and then 2/4, so 2/4 are yellow. So it's like the wing is like in 3 steps. So it's quarter yellow, quarter red, and then 2/4 yellow. And here comes the last part of it, which are it's like half of the wing in yellow color, and you will see how it merges together. Like it's a really cool wing actually. And you have to like lock this in carefully, like so. Check the wing if it's like as we want it, and it indeed is. Then you can trim off in an angle the hair or the fur, so the head is something like with a 45-degree angle or a corner. It's like not necessary, but it makes the head much easier to form, and it makes sense for the shape of it especially. And this fly, like I said, it's a relatively simple fly. We are almost done with it. It's a quite easy fly to tie and a really effective pattern. We'll just do the whip finishing job, give it a couple of knots, trim off the end, and then give it like a coat of varnish, 1 or 2 coats. So while we do that, I just want to say thank you guys for watching and for the reactions we've already got for the channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be coming up with videos, at least 2 every week. That's the plan. And yeah, like I said, thanks for watching. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video.